Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Chart. Here today I will see what's going on with our Taurus. Let's see what's coming or what is there in the life of Taurus. Let's see what's going on in the love life of Taurus. This will be a love reading, chart reading for Taurus. Let's see. Taurus, this is a general reading, so the situations which are resonating with you, keep it with you, otherwise leave it for others. Yeah. And if you want a private reading from me, so you can email me at aquastar love dot. The email is there in the description box. Let's see what is there going on in Taurus love life. Tell me about the situation going on in Taurus love life. Teddy bear. Someone new is there in your connection. You are interested in them. They are interested in you. Blooming, romance, flirting, want to date. So, this is a new connection that's coming towards you, and you are getting butterflies in your stomach. So, you are trying to ascend from this connection, or you are trying to mm, trying to come towards them, or you want to impress them, or you want to take them, take this relationship to the next level. Okay, let's see what else is there for Taurus coming in this connection. Shock. Oh, there is a twist. Sudden change, shocking news, surprise, empathy, transformation. There is a change in this connection. Suddenly, there is a change. We will see what is the change coming forward. Let's see what's coming for our Taurus in their love life. And just tell me what is going on in the love life of Taurus. Tell me about the love life of Taurus. What's going on in the love life of Taurus? The moon. Maybe you are dealing with some Cancer, Cancerians, or Pisces. Five of Pentacles. There is a heartbreak, or there is a missing energy coming from this connection. You both are there. You both are emotional for each other, but missing each other. I am getting that this is a long distance situation. That's the reason there is a distance between you and your partner. King of Swords, maybe a Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. This person is very cold and detached from you. That's the reason you cannot find out, or you are little mm, what to say, you don't know what's going on in their in their life. There is an unknown situation, or there is a sudden change in this relationship, that they are not communicating with you, or they are ghosting you. Maybe that's the reason you are a little sad about it, and this person is not taking any chance, or take or informing you some way or the others. This person is not coming forward with any information about this connection, any way they are not informing you about their feelings, what they are. If they are hurt about anything, they are not conveying you anyway. What is there in their mind? Okay, five of wands. I'm getting there is a competition between. Uh, there is other influences in this connection. Other influences means this person is influenced by outside outsiders. This person is influenced by outsiders, Cancerian. They cannot take any decision about this Six of Cups. This is you are their soulmate. They know it well, but they are not taking any decision about this connection. They are holding back from you. Four of Pentacles. This person is holding back from you anyhow. That is the reason this there is a tower shocking and tower. That is the reason this person is not communicating with you, because there is a intruder or there is someone else coming in this connection or coming in this energy. Someone is influencing this connection. That is the reason some outsiders are influencing this connection. That's the reason. Maybe there is other option. There are some other options, or someone else is mm, influencing their mind or something. Maybe their family members, brothers, siblings, cousins, maybe their friends or parents, someone or colleagues, someone whom they are consider as their loved ones. They are not. Let's see why there is a tower. Why there is a tower? Why there is a tower? Seven of Swords. I'm getting that. Seven of Swords, Hangman, Knight of Cups. Someone new came into your partner's life. Someone new, and they are hiding this truth from you. Two of Wands. Yes, this person cannot take any decision about this situation because someone is there in their energy. Seven of Swords and Two of Wands. This person is hiding some truth from you because there is another person. Knight of Cups, Hangman, Seven of Pentacles, Justice. Maybe a Libra or maybe a Pisces is there in there, or a Scorpio. Someone is there in their connection whom they are dealing with now, and they are hiding this whole situation from you, and they are keeping you at the back burner, or they are keeping you as a aside from this connection, and you cannot understand what happened, why they are not communicating with you, why they are not coming forward towards you. Okay, so something wrong, something fishy. Let's see what is. No, no. First, I want to see what's there in their mind, what they are hiding from you, what's there in their mind, what they want to tell you about their. You are most precious gift of God for me. Okay, they once they thought these things about you. My life is worthless without you. Once upon a time, they thought about you like this, but now what they are thinking of you. I know you are just using me. See, someone has told them or spoiled their mind about you. Someone has spoiled their mind about you. Now they are saying that you are using them. I left you to make you realize my importance. Oh, oh, oh. That's the thing. They left you because whenever they will leave you, you will pray for them, you will chase them. That's the thing they want. That's the reason they left you. I wish I could treat you better. They know what they are doing, they know it well. Okay, let's work our dream together. Now they are thinking that they should be there and they should work on this connection. What? Bottom of the deck, see, you are not the right person for me. So this person is playing with you. I am getting that this person is playing with your emotions. They are not thinking that you are the right person for them. Someone came in between you and them. There is another person. I'm getting strongly another energy between you and them. That's the reason there was a Knight of Cups in the situation. So, what will be the outcome of this connection for Taurus? What will be the outcome for the connection? Old. Okay. See. Coffin, coffin. See, Cupid's arrow. Cupid's arrow. Hope and faith. Love is coming. Surprise invitations struck by love. Someone, your partner is struck by love by other person, by any other person. That's the reason they are holding you as a old school. You are for them you are old, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. See, they are thinking that you are old dated or you are not the right person for them. They want that young person or young wife that they are dealing with them now. And now you are, there is a coffin that they are ending this situation with you. New beginning, liberation. They want to liberate you, they want to leave you, they want this connection to be sur- yes, they want to leave this connection now, and they want a new beginning with this new person because they know that this is a transition in tragic ending. So this person is leaving you anyhow because, yeah, this person is running away from you. Runner. So what will be the, I'm sorry, Taurus, there is no such thing I can do here because this is a, I cannot give you any sweet, sugary message that is a lie. Okay, I cannot tell you any lie on any uh, sweet. I cannot sweet talk with you. What's truth? It will come. Otherwise, spirit will not leave you. Leave me. Spirit will not leave me anyway. I cannot tell you anything that is not truth. Let's see what is the guidance for you and what will be the flexible. Be flexible. If this person is coming towards you with a commitment, with a love, affection, and equal give and take, then this person is with you. Or if this person is keeping you hung in the situation, then what's the reason? You are coming to the age, and this, by the book, by the law, by the uh, universal, what, universal law or universal way, you have to leave this person. This is not for you. You have to understand it. This person is not for you because this person is barely understanding your emotions. So, no place like home. Be there at home, be with your loved ones, and give and deliver them message that you don't want to deal with them anyhow. There is a breakup, or give them a closure that you don't want to be there in this connection because there is nothing left in this connection. Leave this person in their way, in their situation, and move forward. You have to transform yourself and change your life path, or change your way. Okay, so this is not for you, this person is not for you. So that's the point. So if you like this reading, I don't know will you like it or not, but truth is truth. You have to be brave, be courageous to handle this. Okay, so I know Taurus, all the Taurus persons are very courageous, so you can handle it. So this is the reading for you. If you enjoyed it, give me a like. If you want this types of reading, then subscribe my channel and keep this journey on and on. Okay. So bye bye for now. Have fun.